Hello, welcome. Episode number 3 on the volume of a sphere. We have to find the volume of this figure. First of all, we have to identify what figure is this. This is a hemisphere. That is half of a sphere. So fast forward. Our volume. We know volume of a hemisphere is going to be 2 on 3 pi r cubed. How we derive this formula has been dealt with in the first episode of volume of a sphere. We know volume of a sphere is 4 on 3 pi r to the power 3. So half of that will give us exactly this. So we only do substitution as in 2 on 3, 22 over 7 representing pi. Then we have 7 centimeter times 7 centimeter times 7 centimeter. There are 3 of them because to the power of 3. So what happens? This will cancel one of them. So we left with volume of hemisphere equals to 2 times 22. I guess 44. 7 times 7 times 1 will give us 49 centimeter cube divided by 3. And when we punch that on our calculator, it gives us 2156 centimeter cube divided by 3. So let's divide that by 3. That will be 718.67 centimeter cube. So the volume of a hemisphere with the radius of 7 will give us 718.67 centimeter cube. I guess you follow. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Bye bye.